In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can draw a frequency tree. A frequency tree shows the actual frequency of different events. My events in this case are those people that sat a driving test, and in the first event, the gender of who sat the test, and the second event being whether they were successful or not. With situations like this, where I only have two events happening, a two-way table will hold exactly the same information. But as we'll see, a frequency tree looks a little bit cleaner. So if I have a look at the information that I've been given in the question, it says that 10 out of 30 males and 50 out of 60 females passed. The first situation that I've got is that there are 30 males and 60 females. You'll notice that the total of my frequency branches adds up to the total number of people that sat the test. The second branch will then indicate, of the males, how many passed or failed. 10 of my 30 males passed, which means that in order to work out how many males failed, I need to do 30, which is the total number of males that sat the test, take away 10, which is equal to 20. You'll notice that the number of males that passed and failed, 10 plus 20, equals the total number of males that sat the test. As for the number of females, I know that 50 passed. This means that the number of females that failed would be 60 minus 50, which is equal to 10. This is now my completed frequency tree. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So having drawn a frequency tree template for this question, I can see that there are males and females, and the second category is whether they are older than 18 or not. Although there are 80 club members, 40 are male and 40 are female, and this information will go on my first branch. 40 males and 40 females. 40 and 40 make 80. Of the males, 10 are older than 18. So to work out those that are less than or equal to 18 will be 40 take away 10, which is equal to 30. 10 add 30 is equal to 40, the total number of males. I'm also told that there are 20 females that are older than 18. So to work out those that are less than or equal to 18 will be 40 take away 20, which is equal to 20. So some key things to always check at the end of this style of question is that the branches always add up to the previous total. So imagine if the total number of males in this case is being funneled along each of the frequency branches, that the total number of males and the total number of females added up to the total number of club members. And in this case, again, it was being funneled between each of these two sets of branches.